This is Kibera, a slum in Nairobi, Kenya, home to about 1 million people. These children play without a care, just as it should be, but their reality is grim. They are all orphans, half of them because of AIDS.
In the last 5 years, it's gotten worse, and we have now more children who are abandoned and who are orphaned as a result of HIV/AIDS.
George Nyakora was the national director of SOS Children's Villages in Kenya. They fight AIDS with community outreach, education, and family strengthening programs.
You'll realize that up to 60% of the bed occupants in some of our hospitals at the moment are actually taken up by people who are HIV positive.
An entire generation of Kenyans is dying. It's difficult to find anyone who hasn't been touched.
Do you have friends that have died?
Many, including family members. Very many. I lost my sister to HIV/AIDS. I've got very close friends of mine, Some are in hospital right now, terminal cases right now.
Here, basic health care is out of reach. For many people, AIDS prevention is just another way to spend money they don't have.
You have to make a choice between buying a condom or having a meal or having a drink that's going to knock you out dead so that you forget your problems for the day.
The Kibera Integrated Community Self-Help Program offers a variety of services to those affected by HIV and AIDS. The group has said that Kibera records the highest HIV and AIDS prevalence rates in Nairobi.
HIV blood test tunafanya inachukua 10 to 15 minutes.
Today, Jacqueline Abundo is administering tests. This man fears an intoxicated night with a barmaid will be a death sentence.
The gentleman has been feeling unwell for the last 5 months. He was having some diarrhea, headache, and feeling weak. Uko HIV positive. Umesikia?
Although the adult prevalence of HIV appears to be decreasing in Kenya, people still test positive every day. And today is no different.
Some people, they still ignore that, the education that we give them, the condom use. Yeah. They don't want to listen that there's AIDS around. So it is still the ignorance. People are still ignoring.
The result? The number of AIDS orphans in Kenya numbers over 1 million. And in Kibera alone, they reportedly number 50,000. This place is called Niambani. It's a home and safe haven for Kenya's smallest victims of the African AIDS pandemic. Most of these boys and girls come here directly from the hospital, abandoned at birth because they were HIV positive. Previously, 2 or 3 children passed away each month, but drug donations have had a huge impact on the death rate here. These children's struggles will be lifelong, but they're no longer waiting to die. They are learning to live.